Hello, my friend, and welcome to Building Digitally with Christy. I'm so excited that you're here, and I'm so excited that you're on your own digital journey, no matter what it is, whether you have purchased a digital product before or not. I just want to congratulate you, number one, for stepping out and doing something that might be uncomfortable. But guess what? There's so many things out there in the world right now that you need to learn about. And I encourage you, learn something new every day. Can you believe how hard it is for some people to invest in themselves? And I'm not talking it has to be financial. I'm just talking invest in yourself and learning a new skill. I want to encourage you. It doesn't matter where you are in your journey right now. I was in nail tech for 23 years. But during that time, I put myself through college and got my education degree. I didn't know really what I wanted to do other than I really loved helping other people and serving other people. I loved to teach. And I loved being with my family. So I have that entrepreneurial spirit all my life. I've always wanted to do something that I could be present in my family's life. So whenever my husband asked me not to re-sign my contract, that he just wanted his wife back, that's whenever it opened up my eyes that the things that I have done by serving other people all my life, I was taking away from serving my family. I walked away from my teaching career. I came into the digital online space and I found something that I could serve not only my family with, but I could serve other people as well. I could still teach, I could still help other people. And I was so excited about that. So I just want to encourage you. There's so many things out there in the digital online world right now. I don't know if you remember back in the 80s when the computers came out and so many people were scared about the computers. Well, guess what? We're all on one right now. They're all mini. They're in your hand all the time. They're just around you everywhere you go. There's so many things happening in the digital world right now. AI can be your best friend or it can be your worst enemy. Number one, if you're shying away from AI, you're not learning what's going on in the world. Friend, let me help you understand that there's so many things that you can do to get yourself out of the 8 to 16-hour job into a 2 to 3 hour workday to where you can do your income producing activities in 2 to 3 hours a day. Put your business on an automation system that allows you to work 24/7 when you're not even working. And that is the beauty of automation. Just wanting to show you how you can build digitally in a world where the world is digital now. I want you to go into the community. I want you to introduce yourself. I want you to understand that I want to serve you. I don't want you to go into the community and seeing the classroom full of content and thinking, oh my goodness, I'm too late. No, you're not, my friend. You're right on time. It's your journey. And as a teacher, I put content in there. I don't want you to go and binge watch that content. What I want you to do is I want you to go in the community. I want to introduce yourself to the community. I want to get to know you. But more importantly, I want our community to get to know you so we can serve you on where your journey is and where your needs are. Because guess what? We have content for any and everything. But what you need in your journey is clarity, consistency, and a will to want more. So if this is something that you're wanting in your digital journey, my friends, then comment, help me in the community with what we need to help you with. And let's go on your digital journey because you so deserve to understand how you can work remotely from anywhere 2 to 3 hours a day, just like we are. Have a blessed one. And I can't wait to meet you.